Hello there, this is Peter Beckenham, the Village Marketer, and today I want to share with you how to be a transformational leader. You might not have thought about it much, but if you've ever experienced transformational leadership, you'll realize that it's a whole new setup. Ordinary leaders are focused on getting the job done, managing and organizing to complete the tasks at hand. And there's nothing wrong with that. But transformational leadership can inspire and motivate their teams, stretching them and challenging them to perform better than their wildest dreams. So how can you take on more characteristics of transformational leadership? Let me share with you these 4 things that you can start doing right away to lift your leadership game. Firstly, personalize your leadership. A transformational leader knows their team members inside and out and can see the potential in each and every member. See yourself as more than just a manager. Be a mentor to your employees and your team members and encourage them to stretch their personal development goals. And lead by example with your own personal development improvements, right? Allocate projects and tasks based on not just their current skill, but also on challenges to grow and promote motivation and confidence of your team members. The second part of being a transformational leader is to be a role model. A transformational leader has the power to inspire their team. Model the behavior you want to see. Act with integrity, ethics, openness, transparency, and honesty. You will inspire respect in your team members and give them a model to aspire to. As a leader, your people will follow your example. As I said before, they will follow what you do, not what you say. They will live up to your expectations, so make those expectations positive. Number 3 about being a transformational leader is be more than a manager and inspire your team. Your job is to set the vision, the strategies and the goals for your team. Your team members will look to you to be their guide. If you focus on getting the day-to-day tasks done, you probably get the result you want. But if you show transformational leadership, communicating with positive and optimistic feelings, you can fire up your team to deliver results better than expected. That is for sure. Transformational leaders are continually encouraging their team members by keeping their enthusiasm high, checking in on their progress, acting collaboratively to find creative solutions, thinking about each and every team member and showing care and support with each of them, and celebrating successes, both big and small, for every single team member. And the 4th aspect of transformational leadership is to encourage creativity. Creativity is probably the hallmark of transformational leadership. A transformational leader lifts their head above the day-to-day and is constantly attuned to their industry changes, to the trends taking place. They are keen to foster innovative approaches, and they're not afraid to take some risk in doing things differently. A transformational leader is not just an active listener and a collaborator. They reward independent thinking and people who challenge the status quo. Now, to finish with, let me help you transform your approach to sales. Use the link you see on the screen there, peterbeckenham.com/discovery, to book a complimentary laser-focused coaching call so together we can sort out your #1 sales challenge.